Welcome to day 1 of our spoken English course. If you are new to English, please do not worry. We will learn very slowly. Today, we will learn only 3 words. These words are very important. The words are am, is, and are. You hear these words every day. Today you will understand them clearly. Let us begin. First, the word am. We use am when we talk about ourselves. When we talk about ourselves, we use I. Listen to these sentences. I am a student. I am learning English. I am happy. All these sentences start with I. After I, we use am. Now say these sentences with me. I am a student. I am learning English. Very good. Remember this. Whenever you say I, use am. Now, let us learn the next word. The word is. We use is for one person or one thing. One person means only one. One thing also means only one. Look at these examples. He is my friend. She is a teacher. It is a book. After he, she, or it, we use is. Now speak these sentences. She is happy. He is my brother. Good. So remember this. One person or one thing uses is. Now let us learn the third word. The word is are. We use are for more than one person. More than one means two or many. We use are with we, you, and they. Listen to these sentences. We are students. You are learning English. They are friends. Tomorrow, we will practice more sentences using these words. Please comment day 1 done. I will see you in next video. Thank you.